Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Chrome, how to uninstall the Chrome browser. So for this, you need to go to the search bar and click the control panel. Here's the control panel, we just simply click on this and again go to the programs. There are the default programs. We just need to click on this and there are the other programs and the feature. We click on the program and the features because default programs are not uninstallable. So here you can see we have a multiple files and I wanna uninstall my Chrome. So just click on this. Then there's the uninstall button. You just simply click on uninstall and then click on the yes. And here you can see your Chrome is uninstalled. You just uninstall the Chrome. Here you can see the pop-up message. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.